we can use the Chrome Performance tab to record and analyze the performance of an application as it's running. This is very helpful when analyzing why React components render and re-render. The report here shows very useful metrics on which we can zoom and analyze, but it gets better. React actually supports a very useful flag that will give us even more details related to the React application. All we have to do is add a React perf query string value here and record the performance of any interaction we want with the application. So let's do that and see what we get. Reload the app with React perf while the Chrome Performance tab is active. And here's where you're going to get differently. You're going to get this user timing section. And in this user timing section, let's go ahead and zoom on that. You'll see the actual React components here. And this is a visualization of every component mount, update, unmount operations. So here's the app component, which took 24.8 milliseconds to render. And during that time, we rendered the timestamp, we rendered the search bar, and we rendered an article list. And the article list rendered many other components in here. So you can zoom in to see what is going on in here. You'll see how, for example, in the timestamp component, this is the time that the timestamp container took, and this is the constructor for the timestamp container. This is the render for the timestamp container, which rendered the timestamp. So you'll see a lot of detail for every operation in the component lifecycle. So this is helpful to take a general look and see if something is weird, if one component is actually taking longer than it should, or if an unexpected operation is happening in the wrong time or place. The numbers that you see here are all relative because this is running in development mode. So actually in production, things are going to run faster, but this is still a useful indicator of what's going on in development. You can use this visualization to see if an update is happening by mistake. And you see the update tree here. So how deep the tree is being updated and how often the updates are occurring are all things that you can quickly visualize by just looking at these performance metrics. So this should actually also work in IE Edge, I think, but I haven't really tested that. But eventually this should work in all browsers because React is using the standard user timing API to integrate these metrics.